we've just done a lot of work. Hi, kids. We've just done a lot of work to get ready for Mort. He would like to do some more singing with you and some more activities with you. Yay! I'm so proud of him. He's really done a good job during the pandemic with all the changes that we had to make and do. And to sing for you and to dance with you, it's been fun. And we'd like to do some more. But we have a change of venue. In other words, he's not going to be on a couch anymore. He's going to be on a chair, which is different. I hope he doesn't get scared. The couch was a lot longer and this is a lot shorter or not as wide, and it's different, and maybe he likes different things. I don't know. We'll see. It's been hard to have differences, but it's also fun. New and fun go together sometimes, and I hope that that's the case for Mort. We'll see, because we have to do a sound check today to make sure everything is ready for him to sing with Rod. So we want to make sure that the sound works and that the lighting works and that the chair works, not the sofa. So you get to have a peek into what we're doing behind the scenes. Okay, shh, let's see what he does. Sound check, where's Mort? Mort, get on the set. Yeah, I know it's a different Mort. Mort, you can do it. Come on. Good job. Just crawl up there. Do you need help? Down, we need. Get up there all the way, Mort. I know you're scared. Somebody push his shell up from back there. You can do it. Okay. Okay, you gotta come out of your shell, Mort. Oh, Mort. It's just a chair. It's just a chair instead of a couch. You like chairs. Okay, so come up and just give us a sound. Ah! Ah, ah! Moo! Moo! That's great, Mort. Do a high one. Hi! Hi, 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 hi! Hi! That's great, Mort. You're doing great. You're doing great. Yay! Yeah, you can dance up there. No, I don't think you'll fall off. You're worried, huh? It's not as big as a couch. I think you're gonna be okay, Mort. Don't, Mort, you just stay in the middle of the chair. Okay. All right. One more sound check. Okay, let's see what you can do. Moo. Beep, beep. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Good job, Mort.